And recording this with you. Arrival to Prague selected now, and you have now all the arrivals, all the approaches, and if I scroll down, all the runways. So which arrival you want me to select? Any? Okay, let's say this one. So now we'll change. Okay, so now it's coming. All the approach is possible. Board 13 or board 31. Well, hold on. Let's say ILS to 4. So if I select ILS to 4, it seems that it's appearing now only the arrivals for the runway to 4. You see, so let's say this one. Yeah, this one is possible. Transition no one for the arrival, but transition for the approach we have here Erasu, Oscar Kilo Lima or Ratef. So let's say Oscar Kilo Lima, and then now it's selected, and I go out. So it's changed again the arrival to the airport we know, and we see is selected runway 124, runway 24 with all the runways again, and the arrival selected. And probably if I go to two page, if we go to the next page, will be discontinuities. Here the approach to Oscar Kilo Lima as I selected. But here I didn't select any transition, so that's why they have this continuity. Okay.